Gold drops to 1851 an ounce. What happened? It was a terrible week for gold, the worst since June of 2021. With gold twice this year closing above $2,000 an ounce, the hope was that we were headed back up again. Turns out that hope is not a good strategy, and gold this past week traded down to $1,851 an ounce. What happened? This is CoinsRock. Stay tuned as I try to explain. This past week, orders for durable goods rose, and business spending on equipment appeared to regain momentum. With these figures higher than expected, the 10-year Treasury yield moved up to a 16-year high, and the dollar reached its highest level since last November. Both of these caused selling pressure on gold. Investors are betting the U.S. economy will outperform its competitors in an environment of high interest rates. As market sentiment regarding the U.S. economy continues to improve, investors see less reason to hold gold, especially with recession fears easing. Meanwhile, the Fed continues to signal that it is not yet clear whether the U.S. central bank is done raising interest rates amid ample evidence of ongoing economic strength. The hope of a rate cut has been replaced by the idea that rates will be higher and longer than thought just a few months ago. Although gold saw significant losses this past week, some analysts are expecting gold to decline further and retest its February lows of just above $1,800 an ounce. Another bearish indicator was when the 50-day moving average recently crossed below the 200-day moving average, a technical pattern referred to as the death cross. Until the economy weakens and interest rates start coming down, it's a bearish scenario for gold. Meanwhile, the numismatic premiums for certified pre-1933 gold has helped keep values more stable as opposed to modern bullion coins such as the American Gold Eagle, the Maple Leaf, and the Krugerrand, which have all moved down with the price of gold. In spite of gold's recent sharp decline, we sometimes lose sight of the fact that we started the year at $18.27 an ounce, so we are still slightly positive year to date, at least for now. But until interest rates start falling, $2,000 an ounce gold is a long ways off. I continue to be bullish long-term on gold, and remember that gold is a long-term holding. In hindsight, this may prove to be an excellent entry point to add to your gold. This is CoinsRock. Thanks for listening, and if you are not yet subscribed, please do so to hear future updates.